I came across a robin's nest. Now, you eagle-eyed bird spotters out there may have just spotted a robin darting across the screen there. And you would be right. Around lunchtime today, my mum spotted a robin darting back and forth into the ivy. And, at a closer glance, found a nest with chicks in it. The babies are likely around 5 days old, as their mum is feeding them large foods such as worms and beetles. I spent my whole afternoon watching through my binoculars and capturing shots of these beautiful birds. Day well spent. Unfortunately, I've seen 3 birds in the nest, but only 2 are being fed. This means that the mum is prioritising the healthier birds, and that the 3rd chick will likely die. As much as this is horrible, it is very common among birds. Robin chicks usually fly from the nest at around 13 days old. So fingers crossed these babies can see the great wide world. I'm going to be quiet now, so enjoy the final few clips of this family of robins. See you soon!